Angelino from Class 8 of Don Bosco English Medium School, Chirwa. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. It's a great occasion to love our country. It's an occasion to remember the sacrifices done by the freedom fighters. It is also an occasion to introspect our own freedom. Every year, we celebrate this day in a grand manner. Only this year, because of the pandemic, we didn't celebrate at school. But to feel the celebration, our school organized different competitions for the students. We were fortunate to have education competition conducted for the students of Class 8. Now, my friends will present their speeches before you. Are you ready? Here we go.
Struggle is a never-ending process. Freedom is never really won. You earn it and win it in every generation. As we all know how our country has fought against the violation and slavery, it is not a very new thing to know.
If we turn the pages of history, in ancient times, we have many who came to India from all over the world. The Persians, followed by Iranians, Parsis, Mughals, Portuguese, Vasco da Gama, French who landed India for different reasons.
The Indian freedom struggle started with the first war of independence.
Indian freedom struggle is one of the most significant evolution in the history of India. The Britishers entered India in the year 1600 with the objective of trade of items like tea, coffee and cotton and slowly started ruling the country.
In 1915, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, known as Mahatma Gandhi, returned to India from South Africa. In 1945, the English government agreed to leave India. It was said that the country should divide.
India acquired independence on 15th August 1947. Independence Day in our country is always celebrated with great enthusiasm.
India has struggled a lot to gain independence. The first revolutionary nationalistic movement of Indian independence emerged in Bengal. Later it took root in newly formed Indian National Congress with prominent moderate leaders seeking only the fundamental rights to appear for Indian civil service examination in British India as well as for more rights of the people of the soil.
India was once used to known as Sone ki Chidiya, which means India was full of resources. There was precious stone, spices, land, minerals, rocks, etc. in India. All these factors made the British government to come and capture the resources. With the help of the divide and rule policy, they slowly gained control over the country.
India has got freedom on 15th August 1947 and the people of India had to do a lot of struggle to achieve this freedom. It was during the Indian freedom struggle when the concept of Swaraj or self-rule developed. The Britishers came and ruled over India for about 200 years. After the Battle of Plassey in 1757, the Britishers gained political power over India.
Freedom fighter is a person who fights for freedom. Free India was a dream of all Indians.
India's freedom struggle was a series of activities with the ultimate aim of ending the British rule in India. By 1947, the British economy was destroyed by the Second World War.
In the early part of 20th century, it saw a more radical approach towards self-rule processed by leaders such as Lal Bal Pal.
The independence that we got was not as easy one. The Revolt Act in 1919, the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy on April 13, Gandhiji launched non-cooperation movement.
In the year 1943, Indian Army was formed to impel British out of India.
There are many famous freedom fighters who fought for the mother, inspired and encouraged the people to work for their country. They faced a pain, exploitation, immense tortures and a hardship to bring the freedom.
People look up to them in terms of patriotism and love for one's country.
Today, we move freely in our country without anyone questioning or imposing any kinds of restriction on us. We feel satisfied. This satisfaction is due to the efforts taken by our freedom fighters to free our country from British colonial rule.
We are in the 21st century and today we have the freedom to speak and walk without any restriction or rules. We feel pleased by the
thought of freedom that we experience.
There was a heartfelt beginning for the freedom struggle. Men who are known for their peaceful methods, such as Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Rabindranath Tagore, Aurobindo, started spreading the word to the people that everyone must be passionate about gaining freedom.
It is the same when students watch movies like Razi, Ghazi Attack and Uri but feel tough to read the lessons of history or biographies. If people like Gandhiji weren't there and if nobody started various movements as well as the campaigns of peace, then today India wouldn't have got independence nor the people have equal freedom. Thinking about that, we would be under the British rule and maybe like slaves. If our generation doesn't feel the struggle that the heroes of our country have gone through, then the new generation may never know or understand the struggle.
ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी रहे न रहे